Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unravel the mysteries behind the corporate world so you don't have to. Today we're diving into a filing from Onity Group Incorporated, and let's just say there is a new face shuffling the deck. This is an 8K filing, which is basically a report for significant events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as a Company S daily diary for major happenings that aren't part of the regular quarterly or annual reports. So, the big news here is about a change in leadership. The company announced that Robert S. Wellborn is joining their board of directors starting October 1st, 2025. This move also means they re-temporarily adding one more seat to their board, bumping it up to 8 members for the time being. The company says Mr. Wellborn is considered independent, meaning he doesn't have certain business ties that would conflict with his duties as a director. Who is Robert Wellborn, you ask? Well, at 52 years young, he is currently a consultant in marketing technology, but his resume is quite packed since October 2021. He's been a director at Novi Incorporated, a company that supports the global energy industry. Before that, from November 2020 to August 2024, he was the head of data science at Meta Incorporated. Yes, that Meta, the parent company of Facebook. He also worked in data science roles for Meta, a small business group, and before Meta, from 2018 to 2020, he held various leadership positions at General Motors Company, including being their global chief data and analytics officer. His data expertise really shines when we look back even further, as he spent several years at USAA, climbing the ranks to become their chief data scientist. He has got a strong educational background too, with a Bachelor of Science in Engineering from Texas A&M University and an MBA from the University of California, San Diego. With this new role, Mr. Wellborn is also joining the company's Risk and Compliance Committee. This is important because it means he'll be involved in overseeing how the company manages its risks and ensures it is following all the rules. Now, for the legalese, which is pretty standard, the company states that there are no special deals or understandings in place between Mr. Wellborn and anyone else regarding his selection for the board. Also, there are no previous deals or personal interests that need to be disclosed under specific regulations. Essentially, he was chosen for his qualifications. As for his pay, Mr. Wellborn will be compensated just like the other directors who aren't full-time employees. This compensation plan was detailed in the company's proxy statement for their 2025 annual meeting, which was filed back in April. He'll also get a standard indemnification agreement, which basically protects him from certain liabilities while serving as a director. But it is not all about new beginnings. Another director, DeForest B. Soares Jr., has announced he will not be seeking re-election at the company's 2026 shareholder meeting, which is set for May of 2026. He'll continue to serve until then. After his departure, the board's size will be reduced back to 7 members. The company expressed their gratitude to Dr. Soares for his 11 years of service, and they emphasized that his decision to step down is not due to any disagreements with the company's operations or policies. This is pretty normal in corporate governance, as directors often serve for a set period. Now, let's touch on what the company does. Onity Group Incorporated is publicly traded, and their common stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ONIT. This means everyday investors can buy and sell shares of the company. They trade their common stock, which has a par value of 1 cent per share. This is fairly standard for publicly traded companies. And finally, they've included a note about their interactive data file, which is formatted in XBRL system used for making financial reports more easily accessible and analyzable by computers. This is good for transparency and for those who like to crunch numbers. So, what is my take on this filing? It is pretty straightforward. We're seeing a strategic addition to the board with Mr. Wellborn bringing a wealth of experience in data science and technology, which is crucial in today's business world. His background at Meta and General Motors suggests a focus on leveraging data for growth and efficiency, which could be a positive sign for Onity Group's future direction. The departure of Dr. Soares is also a normal part of corporate life, and the smooth transition planned indicates good succession planning. It is great that the company is clarifying it is not due to any conflicts. While this filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables, the addition of a director with a strong data and analytics background suggests the company is looking to harness these powerful tools. In this fast-paced market, companies that can effectively use data to understand customers, optimize operations, and innovate are the ones that tend to thrive. Mr. Wellborn's expertise could be a real asset in identifying new opportunities and mitigating risks through data-driven insights. Ultimately, Onity Group Inc. appears to be making thoughtful adjustments to its leadership, aiming to strengthen its board with relevant expertise. The move towards data-centric strategies is a smart one, and we'll be watching to see how Mr. Wellborn's contributions impact the company's performance in future reports. Alright, that is our breakdown of Onity Group Inc.'s latest filing. What's your take on the new director and what it could mean for the company? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribing ensures you don't miss our next deep dive. Don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Corporate Decoder.